Hey, what is going on everyone, this is Reviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys how you can get a battery life that will last you all day long. So there are a few tricks and tips that you need to follow in order to increase the battery life of your iPhone and have a much better experience using your iPhone throughout all the day without having to recharge it. Now, from my experience, what I have seen, people usually waste the most of the battery of the iPhone. They leave things turned on that they don't even use, don't even need, and that of course will consume a lot of battery. So the first thing you will need to take a look at is go to settings, go to battery, and just scroll down here, go to 10 days or even 24 hours, and right here we'll see a list of all the apps that are using the most of the battery on your iPhone. Now, there are apps that will consume way more battery than they should. Now, of course, on the App Store you will find alternatives for pretty much any of the apps, and you can of course go ahead and replace any apps that are consuming a lot of battery. Just delete them and just basically go ahead and download another alternative for that app from the App Store. Go ahead, open the settings app, go to cellular data settings, scroll down, and you will find right here Wi-Fi Assist. Make sure you leave this on. What this does is that when your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi connection and that connection is really weak, it will automatically switch to the cellular data. That way it will consume less battery. Now, if you leave this off, then the iPhone will try to stay connected to a weak connection on Wi-Fi, and that way it will consume a lot of battery. Now, the thing that will consume the most battery on your iPhone is definitely location services. I don't know why people leave this on all the time, even when they don't use it or don't need it. Just make sure you turn it off. Turn it on only when you have to use it. And also right here under location services, right here you will also find motion and fitness. Make sure to turn this off. So fitness tracking off. If you don't use it or don't need it, make sure you have that off, because that of course will consume battery. Another setting that you need to change is Hey Siri. Make sure you go to settings, go to Siri and search, and go ahead and turn that off. Of course, that will keep Siri basically awake in the background, always trying to listen for that sound for your command, and that of course will consume battery. So if you don't use Siri a lot or you don't need to have Hey Siri invoked, make sure to turn that off by going to settings and going to Siri and search. The first one will be right here. Just make sure you turn that off. Also, make sure to turn off Siri app suggestions. You can do that by going to the widgets panel, click on the edit button, and just make sure you turn that off and remove it from the widgets panel so it won't consume a lot of battery. That widget right there is constantly being updated by Siri, and of course that consumes battery. When setting wallpapers on your iPhone, always make sure that you set them as still. Don't set them as dynamic, because that's really not useful. The only thing it does is consume battery. On iOS 13, of course, you can tap right there. On iOS 12, all you gotta do is just set it as still. Also, make sure you reduce motion. You can do that by going to general, going to accessibility, and right there you will find reduce motion. On iOS 13 you need to go to accessibility, go to motion, and from here just go ahead and enable reduce motion. On the settings app, go to the iTunes and App Store section and make sure you have the automatic downloads turned off. Now you will have here automatic downloads for music apps, books, audiobooks, and also app updates. Of course, you don't need your apps to be updating during the day while you're doing something, and of course you will need the battery for something way more important. You can do that while your iPhone is charging, so make sure you turn them off and you can update them or install apps whenever you have your iPhone fully charged or connected to a charger. Background app refresh also consumes battery. Make sure you go to settings, go to general, go to background app refresh, and of course you will have here a switch to turn it completely off, or you can just choose Wi-Fi, or if you go right here you will have a list of all the apps that you have installed on your device, and you can turn off background app refresh individually. Also, make sure you go to settings, go to privacy, and from here scroll down and go to analytics and disable right here share iPhone analytics and also share app analytics with the devs. So you can go ahead and disable all of them right here. So that is it for this video, guys. These are some settings that you need to change in order to get a battery life that will last you all day. Of course, some of these settings have to be changed right away when you get a new iPhone because they don't do anything for you, just consume a lot of battery. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.